How to fix USB Type-C earphones not detected. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check if your iPhone supports USB-C audio or not, as most iPhones do not support and most iPhone do support, so it totally depends on the type of model you are using. Next, you can try to restart your device and then plug in USB-C earphones after reboot, as this will fix temporary system glitches. Next, go ahead and try cleaning USB-C port to fix the issue. So use a soft brush and gently clean the charging port, and do not use pin, needle, or water to clean the port, and even small dust can stop detection, so this will fix the issue. Next, go ahead and check the default audio output. So plug in your earphones and then put the volume up button and see if the issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then in settings again tap on Bluetooth and toggle off the toggle button for Bluetooth and replug earphones, as Bluetooth steals audio output sometimes. Next, in settings again tap on software update by tapping on general and then on software update. Further, install the latest update, as old software may support USB-C audio properly. Also, you can try using another USB-C earphone or adapter, as sometimes cheap earphones do not work and some earphones need built-in DAC chip. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix USB-C Type-C earphones not detected. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.